In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a new table in Airtable importing data and duplication. By the end, you'll know how to create a table from scratch, bring in data from a spreadsheet, and duplicate an existing table to reuse its structure or content. First, open your Airtable base. In the left sidebar where your tables are listed, look to the bottom and click the button labeled Add a Table. You'll be prompted to choose how you want to create it. If you pick Start from Scratch, Airtable will create a blank table with default fields that you can rename and retype as needed. This is great when you're designing a workflow from the ground up. If you already have data elsewhere, choose Import a Spreadsheet. And if you want to reuse a structure you've already built, select Duplicate an existing table, which can copy just the fields or the fields in all records. Let's walk through importing data into a new table. Choose Import a Spreadsheet as your creation method. You can upload a CSV or Excel file or connect to Google Sheets. Airtable will scan the first row to detect column headers and suggest field types such as text, number, date, checkbox, or single select. Take a moment to review the mapping screen carefully. Make sure each spreadsheet column is paired with the correct field type, especially dates, numbers, and any columns you want to be selects or checkboxes. If something doesn't look right, adjust the field type before importing. When everything matches, click Import. Airtable will create a new table and pull in all your rows with the structure you just confirmed. Here's a quick tip. Clean your spreadsheet first. Remove merged cells, standardize date formats, and keep each column's data type consistent. A tidy source file prevents import errors and saves time later. Now let's duplicate an existing table. In the left sidebar, hover over the table you want to copy and click the small drop-down arrow next to its name. Choose Duplicate Table. You'll see two options: Duplicate with Records, which copies both the structure and all current data, or Duplicate without records, which copies only the fields and settings. Pick the one that fits your needs and click Duplicate. Airtable will create a new table named Copy Of, followed by the original table name, ready for you to use or customize further. That's it. You can now add new tables confidently, import clean data, and duplicate structures to speed up your workflow.